Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Paper test strips detect a hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin, which is produced during pregnancy. The test strip is treated with a chemical that changes color when the hormone is present. The electronics simply read the result from the paper test and then displayed the pregnant or not pregnant readout. 4 September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Around 8 days after ovulation, trace levels of HCG can be detected from an early pregnancy. That means a woman could get positive results several days before she expects her period to start. 28 August 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why you might get false positive follow-up blood tests will be able to tell whether your hormone levels are dropping or rising. Sometimes an evaporation line can appear on a test as urine dries in the test window, and some women may confuse it for a very faint second line. 5 June 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.